Most people use the RSI as an overbought and oversold indicator, but here's how we're going to use it differently so we can have a 97% winning rate. So when it comes to the RSI, we have to understand that the RSI is a momentum indicator, meaning that when the RSI is below 50, it means that more people are selling, and when the RSI is above 50, more people are buying. Having that understood, what we are looking for is not trying to predict the direction of the price. Instead, we are going to use the volatility and consolidation provided by the RSI and use that to our advantage. Let me explain. We are going to launch something that is called grid bots, and these grid bots will profit and benefit from these two things, volatility and consolidation. So the way that you have to think about it is that every time the cryptocurrency goes down, for example Bitcoin, it starts going down on price, what's going to happen is that the grid bot is automatically going to make buy orders, and as it goes up, it's going to make sell orders. Let me share with you an example. So here I am in this software called Bitsgap, and I have been using it for about 5 years. And as you can see, what we're looking for when launching grid bots will be this consolidation and volatility of the market. So coming back to the RSI, instead of trying to predict the direction of the price, we're going to be using volatility and consolidation. And as you can see, we have had sideways movement here, and I'm making about 0.64% every single day with a total PNL of about $140 in 10 days. Now, once I deploy the bot, it's going to be fully on its own, so I don't have to do any trading by myself because the bot will already have everything set on place. Now, how we're going to do is that we're going to head to TradingView and we're going to search for the RSI, but we're going to make these few adjustments. We're going to click on the settings, and on RSI, we're going to uncheck the RSI based EMA, and inputs, we are going to set this up to 10. Okay. Now, what we're looking for is entry confirmations that are below 50. So in other words, when the RSI is below 50, because that's going to provide us with the confirmation that the coin will be on consolidation. So now moving on to the next step is finding the profitable crypto coins to launch. We're going to click on Crypto Pair Screener, and then we're going to click on this column setup, and we're going to check everything. We're going to just leave volume and volatility month. So we're going to start from the highest volatility to the lowest volatility. Make sure that you are in the right exchange. How do we do that? So we're going to click on filters, exchange, and we're going to make sure that it's KuCoin. Now, a quick tip that you can do is that you're going to search for the RSI and set it up below 47. Now, we're going to start from the highest volatility to the lowest volatility. So for example, we can take a look at this one. Looks interesting. So as we can see, with this cryptocurrency, it's below 47 at most, meaning that the coin will be officially on consolidation. So now we're going to do the very last step, and it's going to be launch our grid bot. So we are going to go back to Bitsgap, click on start a new bot, click on grid bot. We are going to search for the cryptocurrency, which will be ID, and this will be a leverage token because as you can see, it's 3 times shorter. It's going to be at 3S. So we're going to click on it. It's going to be right this one. Now we're going to set our investment amount. In this case, I'll deploy it with $1,000. Manual adjustment, you can set this up to 1.3%, and then to set up the grid range, or in other words, the movement in percentage where the crypto bot will be making the buy and sell orders, we'll have to go back to TradingView, and we're gonna do the last 30 days. So from here all the way back to 25th of August, something like here, I'm gonna use the price range tool and search for the highest high, they're all the way down to the lowest low. So we're gonna have about a 67%. So we're gonna click again on the price range and move all the way down until we hit that 67%. Now we're going to adjust our low price and high price to the new grid range, drawing it like this. We're going to do a quick back test to see the previous results that we would have got. Okay, that's a decent back test. As you can see, because we are setting up the bot in the right way, we're going to be able to get profitable and make passive income even if the market drops on value. Now all we have to do left is to have these features on: trailing up, pump protection, trailing down off, and stop loss on. Okay, we're going to continue and deploy the bot. Yeah guys, that was all about today's video. Now one more thing, when you are going to close the bot, what you want to do is go to trading view and you're going to select the highest high, okay, that we have drawn. Click on it twice, click on the add alert, and then you can type close E3S bot, and then as message you might want to do the same and then create. That's all about today's video guys. I hope you find it valuable and make some profits, which is the most important thing. Now, if you want to have access to all of my video lessons and get profitable guarantee in 3 weeks or less, I strongly recommend to check out the link in the description and book a call with anybody of my team. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you want to learn how to become profitable using CryptoBots.